something to say. And now we're giving this chance today. Express yourself, stay connected. Express yourself, sky's the limit. Express yourself, stay connected. Express yourself, sky's the limit.
Perfect gadget na makakuha sa ating sulat. And of course, there's SkyPad. I hope that you guys can check it out. And you know what's interesting about that is it comes with this, you can get this Skywatch. Itong suot ko to. Skywatch, yung mga notifications nyo, dito na rin, makikita nyo, nakasync yan, via Bluetooth, dun sa tablet mismo. So, ayan, dito silang lahat yun. Thank you very much. I'm glad that FlashMob worked.
Alright, and again, it's also very affordable, right? SkyPad is
Yes,
affordable.
affordable yan para sa lahat. Lahat tayo may kanya-kanyang budget, di ba? Pero ito, it's affordable. And if you have a budget, you know, it's really worth your money.
Definitely. Again, last message to all of our viewers right here.
Maraming salamat sa inyo. Mahal ko yung lahat. I love you guys. Thank you, and I'll see more of you. Take care.
Alright, once
Ingat.
again,